BeyblAdeWorld.net, and today I'm going to be unboxing KREIS CYGNUS. And here's the box, and it's a new 4D Beyblade. It's really nice. It's a really nice Beyblade, and I'm going to show you the back of it. The back says explains what parts it has and what modes it can change from. It's a really nice Beyblade. And now I'll open it. First I'll get out the Beyblade. It's a really nice Beyblade. And now I'll get it out. Here is the beautiful Beyblade KREIS CYGNUS. I'll get out the rest of the parts for it now. I'll save the parts with it. And now I'll get out the stickers for KREIS CYGNUS. Here are the really nice stickers. They're really, really nice. I'll just leave them beside it. And of course, now I will get to the stickers. Now the stickers on KREIS CYGNUS looks really nice. And now we're going to do a test launch to see how it does. It's a really nice Beyblade. Now it's spinning really nice, and if you didn't notice, the 40 fusion will kind of rotates a little bit. It spins very nicely and it looks very beautiful when it spins. It's a really nice Beyblade. Please make sure you like this video and make it your favorite. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.